In today's video, we'll be reviewing the quality and the features of the new 2024 Isuzu D-Max.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Welcome once again to Sim Action Auto Review channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification, like, share and also, comment down below. The Isuzu D-Max 2024 is a pickup truck produced by Isuzu Motors. The famous Isuzu engine powers the 2024 Isuzu D-Max, delivering exceptional power and performance efficiency to conquer the most difficult terrains. Fortunately for Isuzu, one of D-Max's strengths is safety. The 2024 D-Max boasts clever automated driving aids that you may not find in some luxury vehicles, which helps it earn 5 stars, the maximum possible result under the new Euro NCAP crash test regime. To tackle it all, the extreme Isuzu D-Max is outfitted with massive lumpy tires, larger arches, and a 50mm lift kit. Isuzu offers 2- and 4-wheel drive, as well as an automatic transmission option. In other words, the D-Max should be able to compete with rivals such as the Ford Ranger, Ssangyong Musso, and Toyota Hilux. The interior of the Isuzu D-Max 2024 models is soft-touch plastic, with painted trim elements around the gear lever, infotainment screen, and door cards on higher-end models to visually elevate things up. Although the central armrest is a little fragile, all of the buttons and toggles seem extremely robust. If you want the greatest quality, we recommend the Ranger Wild Track, which also impresses Ssangyong Musso. The DL40 D-Max comes standard with a 7.0-inch infotainment system, with an improved 9.0-inch version reserved for the ultimate V-Cross. It responds swiftly to your commands, but the graphics aren't as appealing or as intuitive as the system found in a Ford Ranger. Even on the most costly V-Cross model, navigation is not standard. Fortunately, you may avoid Isuzu's system entirely by using Android Auto and Apple CarPlay smartphone mirroring. The 1.9-liter diesel engine in the Isuzu D-Max produces 162 brake horsepower. That may not be enough, but even in its most bulky double-cab configuration, it can tow a heavier maximum load than the similar Ford Ranger. Isuzu pulls the engine out of the low rev range, but it wears down quickly. It doesn't feel much slower than a basic Toyota Hilux, although the most powerful versions of it and the Ranger reach highway speeds significantly faster. The manual D-Max has a very short first gear, while the 6-speed automatic hesitates before shifting into gear. In terms of safety, the 2023 D-Max is the finest of the bunch, obtaining a full 5 stars from Euro NCAP. Hilux has 5 stars as well, but it was evaluated under the old regime, and its security software is not as extensive as D-Max's. The D-Max comes standard with automatic emergency braking, AEB, lane keeping assistance, and traffic sign recognition, while dual-cab models get blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert. When you upgrade to an automatic 2024 D-Max, the standard cruise control is upgraded to an adaptive version that keeps you behind the vehicle in front. I'm glad that you now fully understand this vehicle. Would you kindly do me the favor of subscribing to this channel and pressing the notification bell button so that you are notified as soon as we upload another video like this? Thank you.